Reed with Century 21 Trophy Class, and today we are in Newaygo, Michigan on the banks of the mighty Muskegon River. As you can see behind me, we have got an awesome new listing at 8594 South Felch Avenue. 4-bed, 3-bath, just over 2,200 square feet, and we're looking at approximately 230 foot of river frontage. We actually just got off the river shooting some cool content. We got out to fish right in front of this place, had an awesome day with a couple buddies. Muskegon River is one of the most diverse fisheries in West Michigan, offering a plethora of species. Salmon, steelhead, walleye, sturgeon, trout fishing is awesome. If this is something that piques your interest, feel free to reach out to me directly at 616-414-2953. And don't forget to check out the website for custom mapping and more information. Look forward to seeing you out here.